Here's what happened when I spent 3 nights aboard the AIDAblu, and trust me, this German cruise ship is nothing like what you'd expect from traditional cruising. This isn't your typical stuffy cruise experience with formal dining and rigid schedules. AIDAblu brings a completely different vibe to the Mediterranean, and after experiencing it firsthand, I can tell you why this ship has such a loyal following among European cruisers. The moment you step aboard, you realize this isn't trying to be another cookie-cutter cruise ship. Let me walk you through everything you need to know about this unique vessel, from the surprisingly spacious cabins to some dining choices that might actually shock you. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly whether AIDAblu matches your cruising style. The cabin situation on AIDAblu tells an interesting story about German cruise preferences. Unlike American ships that pack in tiny interior rooms, AIDAblu actually gives you space to breathe. The interior cabins here measure around 145 square feet, which might not sound huge, but feels surprisingly comfortable. What caught my attention was how they've designed these spaces. Instead of cramped quarters, you get clean lines, plenty of storage, and smart use of every inch. The beds can convert to a sofa during the day, and there's actually room to walk around without bumping into everything. The ocean view cabins bump you up to about 160 square feet and include a proper window instead of a porthole. These rooms feel significantly more open, and that natural light makes a real difference in your daily routine. You can actually watch the sea while getting ready in the morning. But here's where AIDAblu really shines, the balcony cabins. At roughly 180 square feet plus the 35 square foot balcony, these rooms give you genuine outdoor space. The balcony isn't just a token gesture either. It's wide enough for 2 chairs and a small table where you can actually relax. The suite options take things to another level entirely. Junior suites offer around 285 square feet with separate seating areas and larger balconies. The premium suites can reach up to 570 square feet and include perks like priority boarding and dedicated suite-only areas. What impressed me most was the attention to accessibility. AIDAblu offers specially designed cabins for guests with mobility needs, featuring wider doorways, roll-in showers, and grab bars throughout. These aren't afterthoughts, they're properly integrated into the ship's design. Family accommodations deserve special mention here. Some cabins can sleep up to 4 people with pull-down beds or sofa beds. The layouts actually work for families, unlike some ships where you're practically sleeping on top of each other. The technology integration feels modern without being overwhelming. Each cabin includes individual climate control, a decent-sized television, and reliable Wi-Fi connectivity. The German efficiency really shows in how everything just works without fuss. Now let's talk about something that might surprise you. The dining on AIDAblu breaks every cruise ship rule you think you know. This ship operates on an all-inclusive model that includes most dining options, which changes how you experience meals completely. The Market restaurant serves as the main dining venue, but calling it a buffet doesn't do it justice. This space offers multiple cooking stations with fresh preparation happening right in front of you. The variety spans from traditional German dishes to Mediterranean specialties and Asian fusion options. What sets this apart from typical cruise buffets is the quality and presentation. Instead of steam trays full of mystery meat, you'll find chefs preparing dishes to order at various stations. The pizza station makes individual pizzas with fresh toppings, while the pasta station prepares your dish with your choice of sauce and ingredients. The sushi bar offers surprisingly good quality for a cruise ship, with rolls prepared fresh throughout the day. Don't expect high-end sushi restaurant quality, but it's definitely better than what you'd find on most ships. The selection includes both traditional rolls and some creative fusion options. For something more upscale, the specialty restaurants require reservations but are included in your cruise fare. The steakhouse focuses on premium cuts prepared to your specification, while the Italian restaurant offers authentic pasta dishes and wood-fired pizza. The casual dining options include a poolside grill that serves burgers, hot dogs, and grilled items throughout the day. The quality here exceeds typical poolside fare, with actual seasoned patties instead of frozen hockey pucks. Coffee culture gets serious attention on AIDAblu. Multiple coffee bars throughout the ship serve proper espresso drinks, not the watery coffee you might expect. Germans take their coffee seriously, and it shows in the quality here. The bar program offers an extensive selection of German beers alongside international options. The cocktail menu includes both classic drinks and some creative concoctions that incorporate local ingredients from ports of call. Late-night dining options keep you fed during those post-entertainment hours. Room service operates 24 hours with a focused menu of popular items that actually arrive hot and fresh. Pool areas on cruise ships can make or break your sea days, and AIDAblu approaches this with typical German practicality. The main pool deck centers around a large pool that's actually designed for swimming, not just standing around taking photos. The pool itself measures larger than most cruise ship pools, with depths that allow for actual swimming rather than just wading. Surrounding the main pool, you'll find plenty of deck chairs arranged in both sunny and shaded areas. What makes this setup work is the flow of the space. Unlike some ships where the pool area feels cramped and chaotic, AIDAblu's design allows people to move around comfortably. The deck doesn't feel like a sardine, can even when busy. The adults-only area provides a quieter alternative with its own smaller pool and hot tub. This section maintains a more relaxed atmosphere, perfect for reading or just enjoying some peace. The deck chairs here are spaced farther apart, giving you actual privacy. Multiple whirlpools are scattered around the pool deck, each maintaining proper temperatures throughout the day. These aren't tiny hotel-style hot tubs, they're properly sized for multiple people without feeling overcrowded. The poolside service deserves mention for its efficiency. Staff members regularly circulate to take drink orders, and the response time for delivery is impressively quick. You're not waiting 45 minutes for a beer like on some ships. For active guests, the pool area includes space for water aerobics and other organized activities. The schedule includes everything from dance classes to games, but participation is always optional. No pushy cruise directors here. Sun deck space extends beyond just the pool area. AIDAblu includes multiple levels of outdoor deck space, giving you options whether you want to be near the action or find a quieter spot to relax. The ship also features an outdoor movie screen near the pool area for evening entertainment. Movies play after sunset, creating a unique experience of watching films under the stars while at sea. Activities aboard AIDAblu reflect the German approach to cruising. Options are available, but you're never pressured to participate in everything. The fitness center offers modern equipment with ocean views, making workouts more enjoyable than typical gym experiences. The sports deck includes a basketball court that doubles as a multi-purpose space for various activities. You might find volleyball games, dance classes, or even outdoor yoga sessions happening here, depending on the day and weather. Rock climbing walls provide a physical challenge with different difficulty levels. The walls are properly maintained and staffed by trained personnel who ensure safety while encouraging participation. Even beginners can find routes that match their ability level. For those seeking more relaxed activities, the library offers a quiet space with books in multiple languages, comfortable seating, and ocean views. This area rarely gets crowded, making it perfect for reading or just escaping the busier parts of the ship. Gaming areas include both a casino with slots and table games, plus a separate arcade area with various electronic games. The casino operates with reasonable limits and doesn't feel overly aggressive in trying to separate you from your money. Evening entertainment takes place in the theater, which hosts shows ranging from live music to dance performances. The productions are professionally done without being overly elaborate. Think quality entertainment rather than Broadway-style spectacles. Deck games and organized activities happen throughout the day, but participation is always optional. You might find trivia contests, dance lessons, or craft activities, but the staff doesn't make you feel guilty for skipping anything. The spa and wellness facilities on AIDAblu focus on relaxation and rejuvenation with a distinctly European approach. The spa menu includes traditional treatments alongside some unique options that incorporate ingredients from Mediterranean ports. Treatment rooms are properly sized and designed for comfort, with skilled therapists who actually know what they're doing. Massages range from relaxing Swedish techniques to more intensive deep tissue work. The quality consistently exceeds what you might expect on a cruise ship. The sauna area follows German traditions with proper temperature control and regular off-gas sessions where aromatic oils are used to enhance the experience. This isn't a token sauna, it's a serious facility that Germans would actually use at home. Steam rooms complement the sauna with different temperature and humidity options. The combination allows you to customize your spa experience based on your preferences and tolerance levels. Fitness classes include yoga sessions on outdoor decks when weather permits, plus indoor options for strength training and cardio workouts. The instructors are properly trained and classes are sized appropriately. You're not crammed into tiny spaces. The wellness program extends beyond just spa treatments to include healthy dining options, fitness challenges, and educational seminars about nutrition and wellness. These programs feel informative rather than preachy. Relaxation areas within the spa include quiet spaces with comfortable seating where you can decompress before or after treatments. These areas maintain a peaceful atmosphere that helps you actually relax. The ship's approach to kids and family entertainment balances fun activities with respect for other passengers. Kids' clubs are well organized with age-appropriate activities that keep children engaged without creating chaos throughout the ship. Teen areas provide space for older kids to hang out independently while still being supervised. These spaces include gaming areas, music, and activities that appeal to teenage interests without being overly juvenile. Family-friendly activities happen throughout the day, but don't dominate the entire ship experience. Pool games, movie nights, and organized activities provide options for families while maintaining quiet spaces for adults. Childcare services are available for parents who want some adult time, with trained staff supervising activities in dedicated areas. The service operates during specific hours and requires advance booking. Family dining accommodations include high chairs, children's menus, and flexible meal times that work with kids' schedules. The buffet setup particularly works well for families since everyone can find something they'll eat. The ports of call and shore excursions offered through AIDAblu showcase some of the Mediterranean's most interesting destinations. The ship typically visits ports that larger vessels can't access, giving you a more intimate experience of each location. Popular itineraries include stops in places like Palma de Mallorca, Barcelona, Nice, and various Italian ports. Each destination offers multiple excursion options ranging from cultural tours to adventure activities and culinary experiences. Shore excursions are well organized with knowledgeable guides who provide real insight into each destination. The group sizes remain manageable, so you're not herded around like cattle with 50 other people. Independent exploration is encouraged and supported with helpful information about each port. The crew provides maps, recommendations, and practical advice for those who prefer to explore on their own. The ship's size allows it to dock closer to city centers and mini ports, reducing transfer times and giving you more actual time to explore. This advantage over larger ships makes a real difference in your port experience. Excursion pricing remains reasonable compared to what you might pay for similar activities when booking independently. The convenience and reliability of ship-organized tours often justify the slight premium. Cultural immersion opportunities include cooking classes, wine tastings, and historical tours that go beyond typical tourist attractions. These experiences provide genuine insight into local culture and traditions. Adventure options cater to active travelers with hiking, biking, and water sports activities. The equipment and guides meet proper safety standards while providing exciting experiences. Taking an overall look at AIDAblu, this ship succeeds by not trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, it focuses on doing the fundamentals well, while maintaining a relaxed, unpretentious atmosphere that appeals to its target market. The ship's size works in its favor, providing enough amenities and activities without feeling overwhelming or impersonal. You can learn the layout quickly and never feel lost or confused about where things are located. Service quality remains consistently good throughout the ship, with staff who seem genuinely happy to help rather than going through the motions. The German efficiency shows in how smoothly everything operates without feeling rigid or unwelcoming. Areas for improvement include some of the cabin storage solutions, which could be more cleverly designed, and the Wi-Fi connectivity, which can be spotty in some areas of the ship. The entertainment options, while quality, might feel limited for guests accustomed to larger ships. The dining variety and quality exceed expectations for this price point and ship size. The all-inclusive model removes the constant worry about additional charges that plague many cruise experiences. What truly sets AIDAblu apart from competitors is its authentic German approach to cruising. This isn't an American ship trying to appeal to German passengers. It's genuinely designed for European sensibilities and preferences. The casual dress code throughout the ship eliminates the need for formal nights and fancy clothes. You can be comfortable every day without worrying about meeting arbitrary dress requirements for dinner. The ship's environmental initiatives include advanced wastewater treatment systems and energy-efficient technologies that reduce its environmental impact. These features appeal to environmentally conscious travelers without compromising the cruise experience. The loyalty program rewards repeat passengers with perks like priority boarding, cabin upgrades, and exclusive events. The benefits feel meaningful rather than token gestures. Conference and meeting facilities aboard AIDAblu cater to business groups and corporate events with properly equipped spaces and professional support services. The meeting rooms include modern audio-visual equipment and flexible seating arrangements. Event planning services help coordinate everything from small business meetings to larger corporate retreats. The staff understands business requirements and can arrange catering, entertainment, and shore excursions for groups. The conference facilities can accommodate groups of various sizes, from intimate board meetings to larger presentations. The spaces are designed to be functional rather than flashy, focusing on getting work done effectively. Guest experience highlights from AIDAblu consistently focus on the relaxed atmosphere and genuine hospitality. Passengers frequently mention how the crew remembers their preferences and makes an effort to personalize the experience. One particularly memorable aspect is how the ship handles special occasions. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or other celebration, the crew finds ways to acknowledge these moments without making a big production that might embarrass guests. The ship's approach to handling problems or complaint stands out for its efficiency and genuine desire to resolve issues. Rather than bureaucratic runarounds, staff members have the authority to fix problems quickly and appropriately. Many guests comment on the ship's ability to provide a vacation that feels relaxing rather than exhausting. The pace allows you to actually unwind instead of feeling like you need another vacation to recover from your cruise. The cultural diversity among passengers creates interesting interactions and conversations, with guests from various European countries sharing experiences and recommendations. This international mix adds richness to the social experience. After spending time aboard AIDAblu, it becomes clear that this ship succeeds by understanding its audience and delivering exactly what they want. It's not trying to be the biggest, flashiest, or most activity-packed ship on the seas. Instead, AIDAblu focuses on providing a genuinely relaxing vacation experience with quality amenities, good food, and professional service. For travelers seeking a break from the high-energy, activity-packed approach of many modern cruise ships, this represents a refreshing alternative. The value proposition makes sense when you consider the all-inclusive dining, reasonable shore excursion prices, and lack of constant upselling that characterizes many cruise experiences. You can actually budget for your vacation without worrying about surprise charges. Whether AIDAblu works for you depends on your cruising priorities. If you want non-stop entertainment, massive water parks, and Broadway-style shows, you'll probably prefer a larger ship. But if you value relaxation, quality over quantity, and a more authentic European cruising experience, AIDAblu delivers exactly what it promises.